आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question given here is Joseph will have a 200-foot long fence installed around his yard. The A plus fence company charges a $500 fee plus a set amount per foot of fence. The A plus fence company has given Joseph an estimate of $2,200 to install the fence around his yard. What is the set amount per foot of fence? Options given for answer are option A $4, option B $4.8, option C $8.5, option D $11. Total charges for putting the fence is given by the formula equals to initial fee plus set amount per foot into length of fence in foot. Given initial fee equals to $500. Length of fence in foot equals to 200. Total charges for putting the fence equals to $2,200. Let set amount per foot equals to X. Putting this values in the above formula, we get 2,200 equals to 500 plus X into 200. We bring 500 to this side, we get 2,200 minus 500 equals to 200x. Implies 2,200 minus 500 equals to 1,700 equals to 200x. Implies x equals to 1,700 by 200 equals to 8.50. Set amount per foot for installing the fence equals to x dollars, which is equals to $8.50. Correct answer is option C, $8.50.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।